Another quick thing I'll show you is how to turn your horizontal video project quickly into a portrait video project. Most of us nowadays are all editing videos for socials, so that's really important, I think. Let's scroll out here and zoom out of our timeline and take a look at this giraffe video. I'm going to drag the end to trim it and make it end along with my captions and my narration clip. Then on the ratio button here, I'm going to click on it, and it's currently set to original, which is 16:9, but I'm going to click 9:16 here at the bottom to turn it into portrait. And now I can resize everything for socials, right? I can drag the corner here to zoom in, and then I can drag the video here to center the giraffe and get the framing that I want. And then I can click my captions layer here in my timeline, and I can also scale that up and put it exactly where I want, along with my sticker and any other layer here. So changing your video into portrait is super easy. Though I want to export this video in a horizontal format for my YouTube channel, so I'm going to press Ctrl Z a couple times and undo all my changes here.